just made this frame, and it's the first step in displaying a piece of artwork painted on a metal sign. And this one's new to me, so we'll kind of figure it out together. I got started by making the frame with 3/4 inch birch plywood. I cut a 35-degree angle on the inside pieces, and that's because I'm going to hang the artwork using a French Cleat system. I'm not sure which is going to be the top or bottom yet, so I cut the 35-degree angle on both sides. Now that I've got the rectangle made, I'll bring the artwork over and trace it out. I just screwed the sign to the frame just to get an idea of what I'm going to be working with here. I'm going to stand it up. See, I could only catch a little metal, but I think it'll be enough because there's enough screws. The main issue that I have to contend with is there's a lot of warping in the metal, and I'll have to fill that area, so I have I don't want to have a shadow here. So that's the main issue with this project. But now that I've got it mounted, I'll label it so I know which way it goes back, trace it out, and then cut the line. Okay, so you can see I have the artwork wrapped in plastic. I've screwed it down to the plywood frame, put some weights on top of the metal just to make sure it doesn't rise up from the expanding foam. This is the minimum expanding foam, and I'm just going to go ahead and start filling the gaps. I let the foam cure overnight, removed the artwork, and cut the squeeze out flush with the frame using a hacksaw blade. I was happy the air bubbles were really pretty small, and I used joint compound to fill them. I let the joint compound dry, sanded it flush, and then repeated the process until I had a nice smooth finish. I wanted the hardware, the screws and washers to have an old look, so I heated them up with a torch. Then I sprayed them with a vinegar and salt solution, and then I just left them outside for a few days. After a few days, the hardware had a nice rusty patina, and I finished that off with a little bry wax. I attached the cleat to the wall with 4 3-inch long deck screws.
Standard Oil was in Ohio, was in Cleveland.
You're going to probably lose your leverage as you walk down those stairs. The painting isn't very heavy, but it is a little awkward, so I had my son Walter help me hang it. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.